This image shocked the internet, but the finds we're diving into are even more thrilling. From alien skulls to galactic signals, prepare for a journey into the unknown. Let's journey to ancient Europe, where the mysterious Vinca figurines were unearthed in Serbia, dating back to 5000 BC. These small clay sculptures have features that feel oddly futuristic. Elongated heads, large almond-shaped eyes, and slender bodies. Sound familiar? Many think they resemble modern depictions of extraterrestrials. Their purpose is a mystery. Were they toys, spiritual idols, or something else entirely? Some even speculate they were inspired by encounters with otherworldly beings. Adding to the intrigue is the Vinca culture's early writing system, featuring symbols that some believe could be messages or star maps. Skeptics argue the figurines are simply stylized human representations, but their eerie features make them impossible to ignore. Are they evidence of ancient alien contact or a testament to early human imagination? Whatever the truth, the Vinca figurines remain enigmatic relics, sparking questions we may never fully answer. In the remote, icy depths of Siberia, a chilling discovery sent waves of intrigue through the scientific and speculative communities alike. In 2023, archaeologists unearthed a peculiar human skull near a forgotten settlement, and it was anything but ordinary. The skull had an elongated shape, exaggerated cranial volume, and unusually symmetrical features. Its bizarre proportions bore a striking resemblance to the stereotypical alien head we've seen in countless depictions. Scientists proposed explanations ranging from cranial deformation, an ancient practice of reshaping skulls for ritual or aesthetic purposes, to natural anomalies. But whispers of something more mysterious quickly surfaced. Could this skull belong to a long-lost hybrid, a connection between humans and visitors from beyond our planet? The chilling landscape of Siberia has always held secrets frozen in time. This find only deepens its allure, leaving more questions than answers. Thousands of miles away, in the alpine valleys of northern Italy, ancient carvings etched into stone reveal an unsettling mystery. The petroglyphs of Val Camonica, created over 8,000 years ago, depict humanoid figures with large circular heads radiating lines resembling helmets or glowing halos. These figures stand alongside intricate star-like patterns and what appear to be otherworldly craft. To some, it is clear, these carvings tell a story of ancient extraterrestrial encounters. Skeptics argue these carvings represent gods or celestial phenomena worshipped by early humans. But the remarkable detail in these depictions raises the question, why would ancient people with no concept of modern technology create figures that eerily resemble spacesuits and spacecraft? The petroglyphs' placement on rocky cliffs, visible only under the open sky, adds a layer of mystery, as if they were meant to signal the heavens. In the lush rainforests of Costa Rica, ancient artisans left behind artifacts that continue to puzzle and captivate. Among these treasures are the Diki gold frogs, small, intricately crafted pendants made by the Diki people over 1,000 years ago. At first glance, they seem like charming depictions of the region's abundant amphibians, but a closer look reveals something extraordinary. The frogs are stylized in ways that resemble sleek, aerodynamic designs, almost as if they were tiny models of futuristic craft. This detail has sparked intense speculation. Were these golden frogs merely artistic representations of nature, or could they hint at a deeper, more otherworldly connection? Some theorists suggest that these pendants might reflect advanced technologies the Diki people could never have known, or encountered beings who did. Adding to the intrigue, their discovery coincides with other anomalous artifacts across the Americas that seem to hint at ancient knowledge far beyond its time. From Costa Rica's jungle treasures, our journey now takes us across the Pacific, to a modern mystery that lit up Japan's skies. In June 2020, the clear skies over northern Japan became the stage for an enigmatic event. A strange balloon-like object hovered in the air for hours, defying identification. It wasn't a weather balloon or any known aircraft. Witnesses described it as eerily motionless, with a structure that included propellers but no clear purpose. As videos of the incident circulated online, speculation ran wild. Was it a secret government project, an elaborate hoax, or something far more mysterious? While officials scrambled to provide mundane explanations, they found no definitive answers. Some pointed to similarities with ancient depictions of flying crafts in Japan, such as the Utsurobune, a legendary hollow ship said to have washed ashore in the 19th century. Could this strange relic in the skies of 2020 be connected to those ancient tales? The idea bridges centuries, suggesting a recurring thread of encounters that humanity has yet to fully understand. And as the skies grew quiet once again, the mystery only deepened. In the heart of the Arabian Peninsula lies a landscape so otherworldly, it's often likened to the surface of another planet. Al-Ula, an ancient oasis in Saudi Arabia, is home to monumental rock formations shaped by millennia of wind and sand. Towering spires, natural arches, and massive stones balanced in impossible ways create a scene that feels almost alien. Among these formations is the iconic Elephant Rock, a massive structure that looks like a colossal petrified creature. But beyond the natural beauty lies a deeper mystery. Scattered throughout the region are ancient carvings and ruins, some dating back thousands of years, that suggest a sophisticated understanding of the cosmos. Certain engravings resemble celestial maps, while others depict figures with elongated features that some claim hint at alien influences. Whether the people of Al-Ula were inspired by their unique surroundings or something beyond this earth is a question that continues to intrigue researchers. Deep in the jungles of Mesoamerica, ancient artisans created masks that still captivate and mystify. Among the most famous are those crafted by the Olmec and Maya civilizations. These masks, made from jade and other precious materials, often feature elongated faces, wide eyes, and serene expressions. Details that many find strikingly similar to modern depictions of extraterrestrials. Some were used in ceremonies, while others adorned the faces of the dead, believed to guide them to the afterlife. The craftsmanship of these masks is astonishing, but it's their uncanny resemblance to what we now associate with aliens that fuels speculation. Were they inspired by celestial visitors, or do they simply reflect ancient ideals of spirituality and beauty? Adding to the intrigue is the fact that these civilizations had an advanced understanding of astronomy, often aligning their structures and rituals with celestial events. Did their fascination with the heavens come from a deeper connection, or perhaps even contact, with something beyond? As we ponder this, we head to China, where another set of enigmatic masks has recently emerged from the earth, sparking a fresh wave of curiosity. In the quiet fields of Sanxingdui, Sichuan Province, China, a startling discovery was made in 2023 that reignited age-old mysteries. Archaeologists unearthed a series of bronze masks dating back over 3,000 years, their features unlike anything seen before. These artifacts, with their oversized angular eyes, exaggerated ears, and otherworldly proportions, seem to leap straight from the pages of a science fiction novel. The masks were part of a trove linked to the ancient Shu civilization, a culture known for its artistic brilliance and enigmatic practices. But these masks raise questions as sharp as their features. Some researchers see them as ceremonial objects, perhaps symbolizing gods or spirits. Others wonder if they hint at encounters with beings not of this world. Adding to the puzzle, the masks were found alongside relics that suggest advanced metallurgical techniques far ahead of their time. As debates rage on about their origins, one thing is certain: the Sanxingdui masks blur the line between ancient artistry and the unknown. High in the arid deserts of Peru, a discovery unfolded in 2023 that seemed ripped from the pages of some alien book. Researchers revealed few strange mummified bodies, no taller than 2 feet, with elongated skulls, 3 fingers on each hand, and anatomies that defy human biology. Their appearance instantly captured global attention, sparking debates and wild theories. Were these remains ancient extraterrestrial visitors, or were they elaborate hoaxes crafted to deceive? Radiocarbon dating suggested the mummies were over 1,000 years old, and their X-rays revealed unexpected anatomical details, such as metallic implants embedded within their skeletons. While some scientists remain skeptical, dismissing the mummies as clever forgeries, others argue that the evidence is too compelling to ignore. Could these tiny beings be a clue to humanity's long-lost interactions with otherworldly life? As the dust settles in Peru, our attention shifts north to Greenland, where a colossal discovery buried beneath the ice hints at a cataclysmic event from the cosmos. Beneath the icy expanse of Greenland, a colossal secret lay hidden for millennia. In 2018, researchers using ground-penetrating radar uncovered the Hiawatha Crater, a massive impact site stretching over 19 miles in diameter. But it wasn't until recently that new studies revealed even more startling details. Estimated to be tens of thousands of years old, this crater's origins are linked to a meteorite that collided with Earth, unleashing unimaginable energy. Could such an event have shaped not just the physical landscape but also the course of human history? Some theorists believe this impact could have coincided with dramatic climate shifts, possibly influencing early human civilizations. Others propose an even more tantalizing idea that extraterrestrial materials or even microbial life might have hitched a ride on this cosmic visitor. As scientists continue to drill deeper, both literally and metaphorically, into the secrets of the Hiawatha crater, the frozen tundra seems to whisper tales of a celestial past. Tucked away in the forests of Bosnia and Herzegovina, the enigmatic stone spheres of Zavidovici have puzzled locals and researchers alike. Scattered across the region, these massive, almost perfectly spherical stones seem too precise to be a product of nature. Some weigh several tons, and their composition, a mix of quartz and sandstone, suggests an origin shrouded in geological mystery. Theories about their purpose range from ancient markers of lost civilizations to naturally formed anomalies. But a last-year reinvestigation of these spheres has reignited debates. Using advanced imaging techniques, researchers have uncovered patterns on their surfaces that appear to be deliberate carvings, possibly inscriptions or maps. Could these markings be messages from an ancient culture, or perhaps even remnants of alien technology? As speculation swirls, skeptics argue that the spheres are merely unique geological formations. Yet standing among these ancient, silent stones, one can't help but feel the weight of time and secrets unknown. In the remote reaches of Russia's Ural Mountains, a discovery was made that defies logic and size. During a geological survey in the 1990s, tiny, intricately crafted spirals were uncovered, buried deep in the sediment along the Narada River. These spirals, composed of tungsten, copper, and molybdenum, are microscopic, some measuring as small as 0.003 inches. What's even more extraordinary is their precision, so exact it suggests they could only have been created with advanced machinery. The spirals have been dated to tens of thousands of years ago, a period when humans were thought to lack such sophisticated technology. Were these the result of ancient Earth-based ingenuity, or could they be remnants of extraterrestrial probes or devices left behind during visits to our planet? Their purpose remains a mystery, but their existence raises profound questions about what might have been happening on Earth long before recorded history. From the vastness of the Ural Mountains, we leap to an even greater frontier, the cosmos. In 2020, astronomers tuned their telescopes toward TRAPPIST-1, a star system located 40 light-years away, and detected something unusual. Among its 7 Earth-sized planets, 3 lie in the habitable zone, the perfect distance from their star to support liquid water. But what caught the attention of scientists and dreamers alike were faint radio signals emanating from this star system. Could they be the whispers of an alien civilization? While skeptics point to natural phenomena such as pulsars or stellar flares, others can't help but wonder, are we finally picking up messages from intelligent life? The planets of TRAPPIST-1 are tidally locked, meaning one side is always bathed in light while the other remains in eternal darkness, a setting straight out of a science fiction tale. These signals, combined with the system's unique conditions, have sparked a frenzy of research and speculation. The mysteries of alien artifacts are just the beginning. TRAPPIST-1's planetary system captivated scientists and dreamers alike with its faint, puzzling signals that seem to tease the possibility of alien life. But those signals, though intriguing, aren't the only ones reaching us from the vast depths of space. Far beyond TRAPPIST-1, the universe delivers something even more mysterious: fast radio bursts, or FRBs. These brief, millisecond-long flashes of radio waves have been detected from billions of light-years away, their origins cloaked in cosmic mystery. At first, scientists thought FRBs were one-off anomalies, perhaps the result of massive stars collapsing or black holes colliding. But then came the repeaters, FRBs coming from the same location over and over again. Could this be a deliberate signal? Some theorists suggest FRBs might be the handiwork of an advanced alien civilization, using bursts of energy as a cosmic beacon. Unlike the faint signals from TRAPPIST-1, these bursts are unbelievably powerful, momentarily outshining entire galaxies. But if these are messages, what could they mean? Are they trying to communicate, or simply broadcasting their presence? The idea that we might be intercepting alien communications transforms these bursts into something more than just cosmic noise. As we continue to decode these cryptic signals, it's worth asking, are we ready to respond? As we grapple with the mysteries of the cosmos, a question lingers. What if aliens aren't traveling vast distances to reach us, but instead slipping through the fabric of reality itself? This is the crux of the interdimensional beings theory, the idea that extraterrestrials might not come from other planets but from entirely different dimensions coexisting alongside our own. It's a concept that blurs the lines between science and the supernatural, igniting speculation and wonder. Supporters of this theory point to strange phenomena that defy conventional explanation: UFOs that appear and disappear instantly, abduction stories where time seems to warp, and sightings of entities that don't quite match our idea of physical beings. Could these events be glimpses into parallel dimensions? Quantum physics hints that multiple dimensions might exist, and if that's true, advanced civilizations could have unlocked the ability to move between them, popping into our reality like shadows passing through a veil. The theory suggests that their visits might not be random, but purposeful, observing or even guiding us from a realm just out of reach. What if we've been looking in the wrong place all along? While we've set our sights on the stars, some theorists suggest that alien life might not be above us, but beneath us. The subterranean alien civilization theory posits that advanced beings could be living deep within the Earth, hidden in vast networks of underground caverns, shielded from human detection. After all, the Earth's crust holds countless unexplored spaces, from immense cave systems to oceanic trenches deeper than Mount Everest is tall. This theory gains traction from unexplained phenomena like mysterious subterranean sounds, low-frequency hums that seem to come from nowhere, or ancient myths about underground realms inhabited by advanced beings. Could these stories be rooted in reality? Proponents argue that an underground civilization would have several advantages: protection from meteors, climate disasters, and even human discovery. If such beings exist, they might have been here for millennia, monitoring humanity from their hidden vantage points, emerging only when necessary. The eerie silence of these possibilities leaves us questioning what might lie beneath our feet. When we think of UFOs, we often picture sleek metallic spacecraft cruising through the skies. But what if we've been mistaken all along? A growing theory suggests that UFOs may not be physical objects but energy-based life forms, beings composed entirely of plasma or other forms of energy, moving and behaving in ways that defy our understanding of physics. This idea reshapes the narrative entirely. UFOs might not be vehicles but the entities themselves. Supporters point to sightings where UFOs change shape, color, or brightness in an instant, behaviors more in line with energy phenomena than rigid machinery. Plasma, a state of matter found in lightning or stars, can mimic these characteristics, leading some to believe that these sightings are glimpses of life that exists in a form we can barely comprehend. Could these energy beings be observing us or perhaps interacting with the electromagnetic field surrounding our planet? As we struggle to classify them, they remain an enigma, shimmering at the edge of understanding. In recent years, the night sky has been transformed. Starlink satellites, launched by SpaceX, now form dazzling chains of lights visible from Earth. While these satellites aim to revolutionize global internet access, their sudden appearance has sparked wild speculation. Could aliens be using our technology, or even studying it? The idea may seem far-fetched, but consider this. Starlink is creating a vast network of interconnected nodes, blanketing the planet in a web of signals. If extraterrestrial observers are monitoring us, wouldn't such a technological marvel capture their attention? Theorists suggest that aliens might use these satellites as markers to track human progress, or even as a means to piggyback their own signals into our communication networks. Some UFO sightings have coincided with Starlink launches, sparking debate over whether we're seeing satellites, alien probes, or something more complex. As humanity's technological reach extends, it raises a question: are we inadvertently inviting contact? With our skies now brighter and busier than ever, we have to wonder if we're being observed or even guided. And this brings us to a tantalizing question: what if aliens have been watching us all along, like unseen spectators in a grand experiment? Imagine Earth as an elaborate enclosure in a cosmic zoo. This is the essence of the zoo hypothesis, a tantalizing theory suggesting that extraterrestrial civilizations are observing us from afar, deliberately avoiding contact to preserve our natural development. Like wildlife researchers, these advanced beings might be studying us, cataloging our behaviors, and monitoring our evolution without interference. It's a chilling thought. What if every technological leap, every monumental event has been silently witnessed by an unseen audience? Supporters of this theory argue that the eerie silence in the universe, the so-called Fermi paradox, might not mean we're alone, but rather that we're being deliberately ignored. Some point to unexplained phenomena like the sudden bursts of UFO activity during pivotal historical moments, as evidence of check-ins from our cosmic caretakers? Are we part of some grand experiment, observed with curiosity and caution? The zoo hypothesis forces us to confront an unsettling possibility, that we're not the apex of intelligence, but merely one species in a galactic catalog. Do you think aliens exist? Share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and for more useful information, watch other videos.